We are going to discuss electric field. Now, consider a charge plus q. The space around a charge body within which its influence can be felt by other small charge is called as electric field. Electric field exists in a region if electric force is experienced by charge placed in that region. Here, this plus q charge is called as source charge, and the infinitely small charge, positive charge q naught, is called as test charge. Electric field intensity. Now, the electric field intensity due to source charge at any point in its electric field is defined as the force experienced by the unit positive charge placed at that point. Clear? Just consider plus q charge at a point O. Right? This plus q charge is called as source charge. Let a test charge q naught be placed at a point P. At a point P in the electric field of the source charge plus q. If F is the force experienced by this test charge q naught in the electric field of the source charge, then electric field intensity of the source charge at the point P is given by E equal to F upon Q naught. Right? Here Q naught tends to 0. ठीक है? We can also write it as a E equal to limit Q naught tends to 0 F upon Q naught. Now, electric field is a vector quantity. This is a vector quantity. Then it means that electric field will have the magnitude as well as the direction. ठीक है? Here this is a plus q charge. This is a plus q charge. The direction of the force will be this one. ठीक है? Now, the direction of the electric field intensity is the direction in which a unit positive charge would move in the electric field if free to do so. That is E equal to F upon Q नॉट. इस पॉइंट पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन हम कैसे देंगे? तो इस पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन वही होगी जो इस चार्ज के मोशन की डायरेक्शन होगी अगर ये मूव करने के लिए फ्री है. अगर Q नॉट को मैंने फ्रीली यहाँ रखा है तो ड्यू टू फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्सन ये इस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, तो P पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन भी यही होगी. ठीक है? नाउ यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ये कितना हो जाएगा? एज न्यूटन पर कूलम. ठीक? द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इज न्यूटन पर कूलम. ठीक है? नाउ यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होता है? यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक field. Uniform electric field means an electric field which has same strength and direction at every point in a region is called uniform electric field. This is denoted by like this one, equidistant parallel line, right? Non-uniform electric field, then non-uniform electric field. The electric field which has different strength and direction at different points in a region is called non-uniform electric field, right? This is the non-uniform इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ठीक है, चलिए, थैंक यू.